MI-4884B Space-Saving Dual Monitor Desk Mount Installation. For clamp-based installation, use the 3 provided screws to tighten the L-shaped bracket to the base. Place the 4 rubber protectors in the corner of the base. Using the provided hex screws, attach the tension plate and the tension screw to the L bracket. If you need more space for a wider desk, take the tension screw apart and flip the tension plate over. Then, using the provided hex screws, attach it to the L bracket. Slide the clamp onto the desk and tighten the tension screw until it's secure. Then, clip on the cable management plate. For grommet-based installation, secure the triangle plate with the grommet screw to the base using the 3 provided hex screws and the hex wrench. Place the 4 rubber protectors in the corner of the base. Drill a 3/8 inch hole into your desk in the desired base location. Slide the grommet screw through the hole and secure the tension plate to the underside of the desk with the provided washer, nut, and wrench. Attach the VISA plates to the back of your monitors with the 4 provided screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide the monitors into the arms and secure with the top lock. To properly balance the arm with monitors mounted, adjust the spring tension using the supplied hex wrench. First, position and firmly hold the arm horizontally as shown. If the arm drops, turn the adjustment screw clockwise until it stays in the horizontal position. If the arm rises, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise until it stays in the horizontal position. Add the cable management clips and cleanly run your wires down the mount. Once your arms are in the desired position, tighten the limiting screws using the provided hex wrench. Adjust the Phillips head screws on the back of the quick release plate to change the rotation of your monitors. Adjust the hex screw on the side of the quick release plate to change the tilt position of your monitors.